Hi girlfriends, let's get into a haul from ASOS. We've got 3 key pieces that we're looking at today: jeans, outerwear, and long dresses. Let's get into it. The first pair are these wide leg jeans with front pockets. I was actually really surprised at the fit of these because I've never had any jeans by ASOS before, and I tend to be a tough critic on rigid denim since I find them extremely hard to shop for. But these checked off a few boxes for me that I was really pleased about. The waist to hip ratio is really nice considering these don't stretch, and the crossover waist button adds a little interest to the waistline so you don't necessarily have to wear a belt. And the back pockets have a clean look with darts going up the waist to kind of further accentuate the shape. I also love the length of these. I'm 5'4", and these fall at the perfect length for me to wear a low heel so I can dress them up just a little bit. Next is this formal coat that I think will be perfect during the transitional seasons, whether it's from winter to spring or fall to winter. It's in a soft oatmeal color and truly is so cozy. You have to wrap it to close it, which I think adds to the cozy factor because it feels like I'm wearing a robe outside. I surprisingly didn't have a coat in a light neutral color like this, and it's already tying into my wardrobe so well. It's like a cross between cool girl chic and cozy girl winter. Let's move into the next pair of jeans. Can you tell how confident I already feel in these? Once again, I am shocked at how comfortable these turned out to be. They have a slightly looser fit than the first pair, but they have an adjustable cinch in the back so you can snatch your waist in or loosen it to your liking. These are incredibly soft and also fall at a length that's great for a pair of low heels or chunky sneakers. I also appreciate that these jeans loosen up just under the hip area so it shows your shape and then drapes down similar to trousers. Okay girls, now it's time for dresses. I'm starting with this creamy midi dress. I love that this one has an open back. It just adds a lot of sexiness. And I also love that the openness is like low enough to wear your bra so your straps aren't showing. So it's a plus on that. I have always found that ribbed materials tend to do my body favors. It's adaptable to body changes for when I gain or lose a little weight, and it tends to last the longest in my closet for that reason. Although I wore pumps for this video, I think I'd like to try pairing this with knee-high boots or sandals for the spring. The material is light enough to wear in the cool spring weather here in New York, so I think the long sleeves and high neck are definitely a plus. All in all, it's a simple piece with a touch of elegance. Now, this is my first time ever having a boucle dress. I've seen it in furniture and I've seen it in bags, but never have I given it a shot in my wardrobe. In my opinion, it's just as cozy as it looks. It's soft on the skin, hugs the body. They have a few different colors for this one, but I went with burgundy. I think this shade looks so rich and I feel it goes well with my skin tone. I ended up grabbing these burgundy slingbacks to match that are also by ASOS. These have a gold square toe that looks so chic, like shoe jewelry. I'm almost wishing I got more boucle pieces in my wardrobe for the winter because it really does feel nice. I tend to keep my pieces for a long time because I want to get the most wear out of it, and I can see this one lasting for several winters to come. And now it's time for the dress that I saved for last, the most simple, the most classic little black dress. And this is why I love a little black dress, and I will always stand by them because to me, they're the perfect cure for I have nothing to wear syndrome. Like whether it's for a date or out to an event or just going out with the girls, a little black dress is going to be by your side. I think the key is finding something that suits your style, of course, and suits the silhouette that you want to go for. Like for me, this would probably be a date night look, or, you know, going somewhere kind of fancy, maybe a really nice dinner. What do you think? I think it's sexy, but it's also not too much at the same time because I'm pretty covered here, but it also has a really beautiful silhouette. Like, I really think it emphasizes my shape really well. My favorite feature of this dress is this huge open neckline where it doesn't necessarily go low. It just opens up the chest on the sides and has this adorable fabric detail that goes across the arm and over the back. So it's just really a gentle coverage that slightly covers the side of your arms, because I'm kind of in that space where I want to cover my arms a little bit because I'm a little bit self-conscious after having kids. I still have some looser bits that I'm trying to work on, and my arms is one of them. It's kind of been a space that I like to cover from time to time, and this is nice. It's not too much. It's a little something. Okay, girl, that's it. And as always, you can find the links to all of these in the description box below, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye.